Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Hey there! In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight bulb on your Jeep Grand Cherokee using an easy method. You won't need to remove the entire bumper or struggle with the wheel well. This straightforward approach will help you save both time and money, allowing you to complete this common maintenance task yourself. Let's get started with the simple steps to get your headlights shining brightly again. Before we begin, let's gather the few essential tools you will need. Grab a flathead screwdriver and a pair of clean gloves. It is crucial to have the correct replacement bulb. For many models, an H11 bulb is common. Remember, always wear gloves when handling the new bulb. The oils from your skin can significantly reduce the bulb's lifespan, causing it to burn out much faster. Now, let's access the bulb. For the driver's side, you will loosen the intake boot clamp with your flathead screwdriver and remove the airbox. On the passenger side, simply unclip the engine control unit and gently move it out of the way. Next, locate the protective cap behind the headlight and twist it counterclockwise to remove. Disconnect the electrical connector from the bulb, then rotate the old bulb counterclockwise to release it from the housing. With the old bulb out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully insert the new bulb into the headlight housing, ensuring it seats properly, then turn it clockwise to lock it into place. Reconnect the electrical harness to the bulb. Next, replace the protective cap, twisting it clockwise until it is snug and sealed. Finally, reassemble any components you moved, such as the airbox or engine control unit. Test your new headlight to ensure it works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.